Okay, so I'm gonna make a quick hamburger. Okay, so I just flipped the burger patty, add some onions, and I'm gonna add some mushies. So I'm gonna make this mushroom gravy here. Okay. Give it a nice little swirl and a little mixture. Okay, so here it is. Here's the gravy. Looks nice. Tasty with some mushrooms and some onions. Okay, friends, so let's take a quick bite of this nice sloppy mess. Mmm. You know, when you get a little, not, I wouldn't say tired, but you just want a little something, a little change, something a little more hearty. Here it is. I think this patty is made of walnuts and peas, and I'm not sure what other, it's a vegan patty. And then mushroom gravy and some mushrooms and some onions, lightly sauteed, and roll. Quick and easy, but kind of hits that spot when you want something a little hearty. Okay, friends, I thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends.